Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to see not safe work on Twitter setting. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, over here you can see on your top left corner your profile icon. Tap on it. Then tap on settings and support. Then tap on setting and privacy. Then here you can see the option of privacy and safety. Tap on it. Then over here you can see the option of contents. You see there is display media that contains sensitive content. Turn it on so that you can watch the not safe work on your Twitter handle. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.